It belongs to the history. It belongs to the history. It belongs to the history. And the people knew the painful about the reproach. The painful about uhlazo. That is why at Marabala 86 you can't hide your reproach. You can't hide. You can't hide. You can't hide. You can't hide. It cannot be hidden. Everybody knows. Woman bazalwane. Wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi ngisidaba. Wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi ngihlulwa ipi. Wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi ngihlulwa inhlamba. Wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi ngisahlulwa ilokya nalokya. Wonke akekho umuntu ongazi ukuthi uRashel uhluleki. My verse 36 is coming. I may be in verse number 7, but my verse number 6 is coming. Itafula la ebusweni bezitha zabo.